Welcome to my channel. If your Arlo Pro 5 won't pair with the Arlo app, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain why it happens and show you the exact steps to fix it. Common reasons Arlo Pro 5 is not pairing. Phone connected to 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Weak Wi-Fi signal near the camera. Low or dead battery. Arlo app not updated. Bluetooth disabled on phone. VPN or private DNS enabled. Camera not properly reset. Router security settings blocking pairing. How to fix Arlo Pro 5 not pairing, step by step. 1. Use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. Very important, Arlo Pro 5 pairs only on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Enable 2.4 GHz on your router. Temporarily disable 5 GHz or band steering. Connect your phone to 2.4 GHz during setup. 2. Enable Bluetooth on your phone. Arlo Pro 5 uses Bluetooth for pairing. Turn Bluetooth on. Allow Bluetooth permissions for the Arlo app. Keep phone within 3 to 5 feet of the camera. 3. Fully charge the battery. Low battery can stop pairing. Charge until 100%. Do not pair while battery is critically low. 4. Restart camera and router. Power off your router, wait 60 seconds, power on router and wait until internet is stable. Remove Arlo Pro 5 battery for 10 seconds. Reinsert battery and try pairing again. 5. Reset Arlo Pro 5. Most effective fix, factory reset steps. Press and hold the sync button. Hold for 15 seconds. LED flashes amber right pointing arrow release. Then, open Arlo app. Remove the camera, if already added, add it again as a new device. 6. Update the Arlo app. Go to Play Store, App Store. Update to the latest version. Force close and reopen the app. 7. Disable VPN, private DNS and ad blockers. Temporarily turn off VPN apps, private DNS, AdGuard, firewall apps. These often block pairing. 8. Check router security settings. Make sure DHCP on, UPnP on, WPA2 or WPA3 security, not WEP, AP isolation, client isolation off. 9. Avoid guest or public Wi-Fi. Arlo Pro 5 will not pair on guest networks, hotel Wi-Fi, networks with captive login pages. 10. Try another phone. If pairing still fails, use another Android or iPhone. Log into the same Arlo account. Try pairing again. Successful pairing indicators. LED flashes blue during setup. Camera shows online in Arlo app. Live view loads without delay. If your Arlo Pro 5 still won't pair, comment your router model and Wi-Fi type below and I'll help you troubleshoot further. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141.